In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload on Behance. So this is actually quite simple. Once you're logged in inside the Behance website, you want to go over here to where it says share your work. Then you want to click on project, and it will give you this kind of website where you can upload your project. Now, whatever this may be, whether it's image, text, photo grid, video, embed, Lightroom, prototype, 3D, or whatever you want, you can click it and upload it in here. So for me, it's going to be a video/audio right now, and I'm going to put in a tutorial of mine that I posted on my channel. And as you can see, it usually takes a bit of time for it to load in. And if you're trying to put in videos/audio, it will take a bit of time after your file is uploaded because it has to be converted into a web-friendly format. Now, once that's done, you can then start using it and viewing it inside the website. Now, if you want to upload this, we're not done just yet, okay? What you have to do is after uploading it, you want to click continue down here. And then you want to first upload an image. So it's basically a thumbnail. I just kind of screenshotted from my video over here. I'm going to load this in and I'm going to press crop right now. And then you have to give your project a title. So I'm going to name it Photoshop Invert. And then once you've done that, you want to put in your tags. So it says add up to 10 keywords. I'm going to simply type in Photoshop and then press the comma on your keyboard to be able to kind of blend this in as a tag. And then you have to specify which tools you have used. So in my case, it's going to be Photoshop. As you can see, a few suggestions will pop up. You can just click them and they'll be added to the list. And then how would you categorize this project? It says in here, you want to click one of these. I'm going to click graphic design. And then you want to click the Behance visibility. And you want to put it to everyone or private, whichever you'd like. If you don't have the pro version, these two are the only options. I'm going to click everyone right now. And then my content does not contain adult content, so that's it. I'm going to click publish. And as you can see, your project is being published. And there we go. The disk has successfully been published and uploaded to Behance. If you want to view it, you want to go to your profile up here and click Behance profile. And then at your work, you will see what I just posted. So it's this project over here, which is Photoshop Invert. And as you can see, I can click it, open it up, and I can watch this video I uploaded in there. So that's pretty much it. That's how you upload a video or upload anything on Behance. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.